Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 15 of 2015 JEE Advanced Physics paper. So let us solve question number 15. Students, let us solve question number 15, which says that Planck's constant h, speed of light c and gravitational constant g are used to form a unit of length L. Means this L is to be expressed in terms of h, c and g and a unit of m. Also we have to write the formula for m with respect to these three quantities. So when the correct options is or are, which of these maybe multiple answers correct, so it will find the relations between m and L basically. So how this L is related to all these three quantities and m is related to all these quantities. So first of all, let us start with the quantity m. Let us say that this quantity m is expressed in terms of h, c and g with their powers say abc, with powers abc. These are unknowns. This is how you solve, and this is some constant we'll call dimensionless constant, and the dimension of this must match with the dimension of HCG to the power of ABC respectively. H is energy into time, because H is E equals to H mu. So from E equals to H mu, which is H mu, so mu is 1 upon second, so time is multiplied here. Energy is ml square t minus 2 multiplied t, so ml square t minus 1, because E is ml square t minus 2, multiply this with t, that is the dimension of H. So there is m L square t minus 1 to the power of A. C is light, LT minus 1 to the power of B. G is gravitational constant, which is F is G mass square R distance square. So this is force Newton, mlt minus 2 mlt minus 2 L square divided by m square. So this becomes m minus 1 L3 and t raised to minus 2 power c. Let me check again. mlt minus 2 square of L mlq divided by m square and minus 1 lq t minus 2. Okay, now we have to solve this. This power of you can write m to the power 1, L to the power 0, t to the power 0. That is m to the power a over here, and minus 3 is there, minus c is there, minus c, and L to the power 2a and plus b and plus 3c, and t to the power minus a minus b and minus 2c. If this is matching with this one, then the power of m1 must equal to a minus c, so a minus c equals to 1. Then we'll write these two. 2a plus b plus 3c must be 0, and minus a minus b minus 2c is 0. So these are the three equations so to use and solve. So these three equations I'll take, suppose this is equation 1, 2 and 3. I'll consider 2 and 3, I'll add 2 and 3. If I add 2 and 3, then this will cancel. This is a minus a plus c equals to 0. So that gives me a plus c equals to 0. Earlier from equation 1, a minus c equals to 1. So from here I'll get 2a is 1, so a is half. So a is half, then a minus c is, you can take this one. From this one, a plus c is 0 and c is minus a, that is minus half, because a is half, this is minus half. This is one value, this is another value. A and c we have got, then we can take any one of the equations to get c. Minus a minus b is minus 2c, minus a minus b minus 2c is 0. This is the third equation. From here I'll get the value of b, which is minus a minus 2c, that is minus half minus 2 times c is minus half, so this becomes 1, this becomes 1, and 1 minus half is half, so b comes out to be half. So after we get a, b and c, we will substitute this value in this expression of m power m varies directly with the power of a, b, c. M directly varies with h, c, g to the power of a, b, c, and a, b, c we got as half, c we got as minus half, and g, a, b and c, c is plus half, a is half, b is half, and c is minus half. So this is minus half. This is a, b, c, because a, b and c we got as a half, b is half, c is minus half. Okay, a, b and c. Substituting that in this expression that we initially considered the unknowns power of h, g and c to be a, b, c respectively. Substituting that we are getting this. So I am writing this as this is proportional to h to the power root. M is proportional to root of c, and m is inversely proportional to root of g. So this is how m is related to h, c and g. If I see the options, m proportional to root of c, this is correct. M is proportional to root of g, m is proportional to root of g, this is not correct. This is wrong. So only this one is correct. M is proportional to root of c. Then we have to see for this expression for L, because M part is over. Then we have to look for the L portion. So for L, then again we have to go for that expression. Let us say that this L varies with H, C, G as the power of A, B and C. This is new formula for L in terms of L, and that we have already written. So this right part will remain the same, because this right part will remain the same. So there is no need to write this expression. Only this part will change. So I'm directly writing this one. Okay, I'm directly writing this one because this right part will remain same. So I'm writing this power is m raised to 0, l raised to 1, t raised to 0, and the right part is I'm writing directly, because this will not going to change. This will not change, and this one m to the power a minus c, c to the power l to the power 2a b 3c, 2a b and 3c, t to the power minus a minus b, minus a minus b, minus 2c. So far so good. This will remain the same because HCG. Now, so from here I will have expressions. I will equate the power of corresponding quantities, m to the power 0, m to the power a minus c. So from here a minus c is 0. This is one equation. L to the power 1 and L to the power this. So 2a plus b plus 3c, that is equal to 1. The power of t here is minus a minus b minus 2c is 0. This is third equation. So we'll solve this. First of all, I will add these two equations. If I add these two equations, then this will cancel out. This will give me a plus c. That a plus c is 1. And here a minus c is 0. I'll put this a minus c is 0. This is from equation 1. This is from 1. So this gives me 2a is 1 and a is half. Once I get a is half, then a is c. A is c. So c is also half. So a and c I got. Then I'll use any of the two equations to get the value b. So let us say the b minus a minus b minus 2c is 0. This is a third equation. Then b will be a minus 2c minus a I got half, minus 2 into c I got half. This cancels. This is minus half minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2. This is your b. So ABC I got, and I will substitute this value of ABC in the original equations of the power of L, where is proportional to, that is HCG. That will write ABC. A I got as half. A got I got half. B I got minus 3 by 2. C I got as half. So I use this equation to write L is proportional to under root H. L is proportional to under root of G, and L is inversely proportional to C to the power 3 by 2. If I look for the options, then L is proportional to root of H. L is proportional to, this is correct. That means this is correct. L is proportional root of C. L is proportional root of G. This is also correct. So this is also correct. So in question number 15, we have got 1, 3 and 4. These three options are correct. Okay, thank you.